Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Canvas page. First, access your course and locate the Pages option in the left-hand navigation menu. Once there, you will see a button labeled Plus Page. Click this to begin creating your new page. It is crucial to give your page a clear and descriptive title right away, perhaps something like Module 1 Introduction or Course Syllabus, so both you and your students can easily identify its purpose later on. This initial step lays the groundwork for all your content. Now that your page is titled, it is time to add content using the Rich Content Editor. This powerful tool allows you to input text, format it with various headings, and create organized lists. To make your page more engaging, consider embedding relevant images or short videos. These visual aids can significantly improve student comprehension. Remember to break up large blocks of text with clear headings and bullet points, ensuring your content is easy to read and digest for everyone. Beyond basic text and media, you can also integrate various files and links into your Canvas page. The editor allows you to upload documents like PDFs, Word files, or presentations directly from your computer, making them readily available. You can also link to external websites for supplementary materials or even to other pages and assignments within your Canvas course. Always double-check that all your linked resources are fully accessible and working correctly before publishing, saving your students potential frustration. Once you have finished adding content, it is vital to save your work. You have two main options: save and publish to make the page immediately visible to students, or save to keep it as an unpublished draft for further editing. Before making it live, I highly recommend using the Student View feature. This allows you to see exactly how the page will appear to your students, ensuring everything displays correctly and all links and files are functioning as intended. This final check is crucial for a smooth learning experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.